Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. And recently Microsoft released new update for Windows 11 22H2. So there are UUP and UUP also. So 32-bit and 64-bit both. So we have to install this one, and this link I will give you in the link in description, so you directly copy paste and just come to this link and download. So we have to just directly click to download and show the link. Again click to this link and now starting your update file. So please wait few minutes, showing only 1 minute, and then arrow and when open when done. And guys, double click to launch setup and restart before restart when installing finished. Okay,